Hi guys. So, Christmas is in 2 months? Well, if you guys contact some brands, whatever brands, and send me some PR, I'll do some giveaways and it could be you. You never know. So, please, I've always wanted PR. I've seen like every creator get PR, so I really want PR. So just help me guys out. You guys are the reason I got here, so help me out a little bit. I just made some new videos, so go ahead and watch them. But please, can I have some PR? But peace.